Hello, my name's Chris and I work for Sculpt Fireplaces. We are an Australian-owned company that import and supply luxury fireplaces and fireboxes from France. The models in our range are Seguin cast iron fireboxes. As you can see to my right here, we have a Seguin Super 9 lift. We also have Axis inserts and freestanding fireboxes, and our awesome luxury Bordelais suspended fireplaces. Now that we've cleaned all the ash out of the firebox, we've kept the ash, there's a reason for that. Now we're going to clean the glass. Using our non-abrasive hand towel, our warm water in a spray bottle, I find it easier. And just a bit of ash. It's as simple as grabbing your hand towel, spraying a bit of water on it so it's wet, a little bit of ash, and straight onto the glass. As you can see, starts cleaning the glass with minimal effort. You can even spray the glass if you want, so it's a little bit wet. A bit more ash, give it a good clean. Voila, as you can see, the glass is clean. No chemicals, just warm water, some leftover ash, and you have a beautiful, nice clean glass for your firebox. Absolutely stunning.